Bodyline, also known as fast leg theory bowling, was a cricketing tactic devised by the English cricket team for their 1932-33 Ashes tour of Australia, created to combat the extraordinary batting skill of Australia's Don Bradman. A bodyline delivery was one in which the cricket ball was bowled at the body of the batsman in the hope that when he defended himself with his bat a resulting deflection could be caught by one of several fielders standing close by. Critics considered the tactic intimidating and physically threatening to the point of being unfair in a game that was supposed to uphold gentlemanly traditions. England's use of the tactic was perceived by some as overly aggressive or even unfair. It threatened diplomatic relations between the two countries before the situation was calmed. Although no serious injuries arose from any short-pitch deliveries, while a leg theory field was actually set, the tactic led to considerable ill feeling between the two teams, particularly when Australian batsmen suffered injuries, which inflamed spectators. Short-pitched bowling continues to be permitted in cricket, even when aimed at the batsman. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.